In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix e-commerce website. Let's get started by setting up your account. First things first, head over to wix.com and sign up for a new account. You'll be greeted with two main options to kickstart your e-commerce journey. The first is using Wix ADI, which is the artificial design intelligence. It's a fantastic choice if you're looking for a quick setup, as it can generate a complete site for you in minutes. However, if you'd like more control over your design, opt for the Wix editor. It will give you a hands-on way to tailor every aspect of your website. Next, you'll want to select a template, and Wix offers over 500 templates specifically designed for e-commerce sites. Take your time browsing through them and choose one that aligns with your vision and brand aesthetics. Now that you have your template, it's time to build and customize your store. The drag and drop editor on Wix is incredibly user-friendly and allows for significant customization. Experiment with different colors, fonts, and layouts to fully capture your brand's identity. While you're at it, don't forget to add additional pages using the dashboard. Pages such as an About Us section or a blog can enrich your website and engage customers further. Moving on to the products, populate your store with items by adding images, descriptions, pricing, and inventory details through the store's dashboard. Remember, you can also set product options like sizes or colors to cater to various customer preferences. To further enhance your store's navigability, create product categories, making it much easier for customers to find what they're looking for. Let's talk about setting up your store settings. Shipping plays a crucial role in e-commerce, so you'll want to configure options like local delivery or store pickup, as well as establish competitive shipping rates. Payment setup is another essential piece of this puzzle. Make sure to choose and connect reliable payment providers to ensure secure and smooth transactions. It's also important to manage taxes by configuring your tax settings to align with local regulations, avoiding any compliance issues. Lastly, take a moment to refine your checkout process. Customize it to provide the best user experience and set your store preferences accordingly. With everything in place, it's time to launch and market your store. Start by connecting a custom domain. This not only makes your site look more professional, but also enhances branding. Before you go live, make sure to preview your site to ensure everything looks fantastic, from images to text alignments. Once satisfied, save your work and publish your site. Keep in mind that upgrading to a paid plan is necessary to start accepting payments through your website. Finally, leverage Wix's built-in marketing and SEO tools. These tools will help in promoting your site and driving traffic, ultimately leading to sales. Congratulations, you're now ready to launch a professional e-commerce site using Wix.